Well, so I promised you all a surprise, and here it is. Look at that. I got a tractor. So all of the videos that you have seen of me making all sorts of contraptions to move heavy loads, well, I figured it was time. Been wanting one for 20 years. It's a Kubota L3901. It's a 2014, the first year that they came out with 3901, and it has 329 hours on it, and it looks brand new except for the wheels or tires, which I've got to get some front tires, four-wheel drive. And I've been doing some stuff on it. I put a new toolbox on it and sprayed all the joints with lubricating oil. So this is an HST, which is hydrostatic transmission. And it's nice. I like that. Don't have to shift gears. But you can see that it pretty much looks brand new. So I couldn't find a good deal in Maine. These guys were going for 25,000, 26,000. But I found this one in Pennsylvania, and the price was $19,500 and another $15 to ship up here. Just came the other day. The only thing I didn't like about it, well, I wish it was different, but it doesn't have skid steer quick attach on the front. So those go for about $1,000, so I probably will get one of those at some time. And then I just bought these Vivor, sure, you know what I'm talking about, forks, and they just clamp onto the bucket. I think they'll work all right, but it would be really nice to have the other kind that's a skid steer attachment. The seller told me that the person that owned this previously never used the PTO or the 3-point hitch. So that's a plus. So I've tried it a few times and I'm getting used to the controls for the lift, and found that if you just let your brain take over, you can do it a lot better if you start thinking about which way the lever is supposed to go. It is light. It's not something that you should be lifting over 1,000 pounds. It's got the LA 525, so it's only rated for about 1,100 pounds. But she's mine. Boy, am I excited about having this. So now I can lift up an engine, I can lift up the frames, I can haul wood and pick up logs, and oh boy. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hopefully there'll be more featuring this L3901. Have a great day.